Have you wondered why some students get A's almost in every course? It's not luck, but it's a system. Here are 6 simple strategies that can help you score higher in every course or subject. First, focus on understanding your course or subjects or lectures 1 week or 2 weeks before the exam. Do not try to memorize everything, because when you understand a concept, it becomes easier to remember. Understanding always beats memorization. Second, you have to study your course the way the lecturer teaches it, because your lecturer prepares the question and usually marks based on examples, explanations, and concepts covered in the class. If you rely too much on Google, AI, or random websites, you may end up learning information that does not match the markings. Thirdly, you have to practice with questions during your revision period. Start solving questions about 1 or 2 weeks before the exam. This helps you test your understanding, identify weak areas, and become familiar with the style of questions you are likely to face. Fourth, on the day before the exams, focus mainly on the material provided by the lecturer. Revise your lecture notes, slides, handouts, and recommended resources provided by the lecturer. This keeps your mind focused on what was actually taught, and instead of trying to predict questions. Fifth, time yourself while studying or solving questions. Treat your practice sessions like real exam. This builds speed, improve your decision making under pressure, reduce exam anxiety, because the calmer you are, the fewer mistakes you make. Finally, never ignore any course. Every subject contributes to your GPA or CWA. Spend extra hours on difficult courses, but make sure every course receives enough attention, because 1 week grade can reduce your overall performance. Getting A's is not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter and following a strategy that works consistently. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical study strategies that can help you succeed in school.